Only Pataka make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like and a comment on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel, Konshens, and Sean Paul. Power move indeed. These are all international dancehall superstars, viewers and subscribers. We have to talk about the Vybz Kartel flow. From the one here, the teacher said, grenade, 1 second delay. G said, no matter what him do, it is never enough. Black people are really very tough. And true, viewers and subscribers, some people like to talk about the accolades of Vybz Kartel. Then they like to talk about the achievements, viewers and subscribers, and the teacher knows it. This track proves it, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to get a listen for an exclusive snippet and then continue the reasoning.
Them no swim me go. Fools still a suffocating at the dust. No matter how me beat them, it's never enough. Yard people is really very tough. And grenade.
And subscribers, I know to hear the flow. I know to hear the flow, viewers and subscribers. This is another dancehall hit, a staple in the music, viewers and subscribers. And as I pointed out, these are international stars. Remember, Sean Paul do it from them Skellion. Sean Paul has been an international superstar for a number of years now, viewers and subscribers. Remember, them man they do it from, if a girl not up to date, we deport them from them time there. You know what I mean? Even that song was in movies right across the world, viewers and subscribers. Konshens do him thing, make a name for himself, record label owner, you know what I mean? Big album make it on the Billboard, so it's a good look to him. Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, the most known dancehall artist of this millennium. I'm not take back that statement. I am not taking back that statement, viewers and subscribers. The most known. And the track record that speaks for itself. Anytime you hear Vybz Kartel on a track, viewers and subscribers, one, some people say this too. Some people say Vybz Kartel music does nothing for the culture. You are wrong. Because the subject matter where Vybz Kartel are talk about, viewers and subscribers, is relevant to our culture. The thing they remember talk about are experiences experienced by Jamaicans and international fans too as well. You know what I mean? But they always incorporate either sayings, nuggets, or things that Jamaicans can directly relate to. And him always big up the culture. He's an artist, so he say big up yard anyway him there. Him say big up yard at Jamaica me there. The teacher said it, viewers and subscribers. Yes, not just implied it, but actually made that statement. You know what I mean? He's an artist who love him country, love him culture, and love the fans, viewers and subscribers. Me have respect an artist like that. Me not say why people, but then again, critiques will always critique. You know what I mean? That is their job. It is their job to criticize, viewers and subscribers. So when we hear the criticism, we just listen to what they must say. If what they must say have any merit, the teacher will work on it. You know what I mean? Yeah, if what they must say have any real world implications, that means that the teachers are aware and that's something we must try correct to as well. But other than that, we feel like naysayers are just saying nay. People don't like to see the teacher songs trending. You know what I mean? Yes, and we see a statement that go around. The reason why you don't see all of the other songs them are trend simultaneously, viewers and subscribers, are because, yes, for one, we have never seen a channel have multiple videos trending simultaneously unless one song was uploaded from a different channel. You know what I mean? So other than that, we have never seen a channel put out content and have, you know, two content trending at the same time, viewers and subscribers. So that is the only reason why you know see songs like Brave and you know all the other releases still trending, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? And that's why the Jolly Couture track not start trend yet. But I think that track was uploaded. I think it uploaded on the teacher page, I'm not sure. But if she uploads that track, which she probably won't on her channel, because if it's already on the teacher's channel, she won't upload it on her channel, viewers and subscribers. I was so excited by the release. I never check out which channel it dropped from, you know. Yeah, cause I type in that wasn't a suggested video to me. Me not work it in browsing. Me got look feed. You know what I mean? So I'm never sure. But that's the reason why viewers and subscribers. But a track like this, Power Move, yes, this is definitely a power move in a dancehall music, because as we say, Sean Paul has that notoriety. Know what I mean? Sean Paul is already an artist book for international festivals, not just shows. International festivals, viewers and subscribers. Because as an artist, we are doing it from them time then. You know what I mean? Put in the work, prove to dancehall music, to reggae music, and to world music itself. Say, yo, the fusion sound is the way to go. And what about fusion artists? Of course, Conscience is an artist that is off the fusion sound too as well, because the amount of different styles already wear Conscience pan. Him couldn't say him is a straight dancehall artist or a straight reggae artist. Him that consider himself as a fusion artist, and that is the same for Vybz Kartel as well. The diversity we see the type of rhythms or Vybz Kartel put music pan, you know what I mean, and the fact that he is categorized as a dancehall and reggae fusion artist. This is definitely a power move for all involved, because everybody on that track, viewers and subscribers, is somebody that is of the fusion sound. But they're all Jamaican natives, you know what I mean, and all respected candidates from the dancehall genre, viewers and subscribers. Yes, from the dancehall side, and the teacher is definitely the king among all of them. Yeah, even though Sean Paul the music for longer than Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean, I think he maybe win a Grammy already, something like that. That still doesn't mean his achievements have dwarfed or overshadowed Vybz Kartel's achievements, because being the king of the genre does not mean that you have won the most awards. You know what I mean? It just means that you are the leading artist of the genre. Your influence is felt more than any other artist. Your creativity is showcased more than any other artist, and your lyrical capabilities are always on display. With that being said, the teacher obviously continues to be the king of the genre, viewers and subscribers. I will not see no other artists to take the title. Really and truly, I don't even think no other artists want the title. Because to who much is given, much is expected, viewers and subscribers. Yes, to who much is given, much is expected. And because the teacher is considered the most prolific dancehall artist, much is expected of the teacher. We see even society. Remember, the teacher never make a public statement say, yo, if you expect we to raise the youth, then you have lost as a parent. And because to who much is given, much is expected. Because everybody and them friend are listening to the teacher. People are say, yo, him have some social responsibility as well. And him never does say, yo, him don't have them. But him that say him is an individual. And you can't place that responsibility on any single individual. This is the responsibility of the collective. The direction of the future of the youth is the responsibility of everybody or every adult right now as a collective. You know what I mean? It is up to everybody who is an adult or who is an adult. We show the youth them we are forward up the way. Whether you're a parent, your friend, or a sibling, I just saw the something go. So the teacher that say, yo, you can't put them big responsibility upon that one individual. But to whom much is given, much is expected. So that's why I mean I feel like say a whole heap of artists really and truly want to be the king of the genre. Then must like to say it. You know what I mean? To stir the pot, to get a reaction from fans, well-wishers, and even the naysayers, even the critiques. Because remember, any publicity is good publicity. Because as long as people are mentioning and having name in the lifeline, they matter about you. So any publicity is normally considered as good publicity, no matter what the topic is. You know what I mean? Normally people like to spin certain stories if it don't. You know what I mean? If it's not about you in a good light, but as long as them are mentioning your name is out there. You know what I mean? The teacher, viewers and subscribers, the dancehall king, Sean Paul, Conscience, Power Move, that one yeah. Just listen out, viewers and subscribers. I like the energy, I like the vibe. It is again it. And second delay, yo, the flow, the vibe, the energy. When I go around you, the teacher never fails, viewers and subscribers, no matter who I see the teacher featured with. You know what I mean? There's no doubt in my mind to the teacher's lyrical capabilities will stand out. Right now, you could hear Vybz Kartel with Jay-Z. You could hear him with Drake. You could hear him with Kendrick Lamar. No matter which known, you know what I mean, hip-hop lyricists. You know what I mean? You could hear him with Wayne them, J. Cole them. The teacher that still stand out, viewers and subscribers. I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna outshine or overshadow nobody else, but you just still appreciate and recognize the contributions of Vybz Kartel to that track, no matter who the other featured artist is. You know what I mean? Yes. Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, has done it again. New track alert. Voice of the one called Jaden Chase, and we have just had another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. I mean, I remind you, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, but don't like the point of view, viewers and subscribers, don't like the reason. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, yes, and then the bell icon right after that, and then put it on all, so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is made available to you, viewers and subscribers. And the comment section is always open 24/7 with open, never lock yet. Just be mindful of the guidelines, however. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. The like icon is also there as well. You can leave a like on the vlog from a like with your ear. The share icon is also there too. You can tell a friend, tell a friend. But check out the channel, viewers and subscribers, by simply using the share icon. Yes, and get it to them directly. You know the something. Go talk to me in the comment section. New track, the flow. You're not gonna love the flow that one of viewers and subscribers. You're not gonna love the energy. You know what I mean? This is another hit track. Big hit track, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section about it. But the one called Jaden Chase, and my sentiments for you until reason again. I wanna live, love, and prosper, fam. You know the settings are up move.